Hey guys, welcome to Slow English with Tom and Emma.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and I'm so glad you're here with us today.
And I'm Emma. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the bell so you never miss our episodes.
That's right. Your support helps us make even more awesome English lessons just for you.
Today's episode is full of fun and useful English for your daily life.
Ready to learn simple, natural English together? Let's get started.
Thanks for joining Slow English with Tom and Emma. Now, let's jump in.
Good morning, Emma. Can you hear that noise?
Good morning, Tom. Yes, I hear it. It is the alarm clock. Please turn it off. It is too loud.
Okay, I turned it off. It is quiet now.
Thank you. What time is it?
I am looking at my phone. It is exactly 6:30. It is time to wake up.
Oh no, I am so tired. I want to sleep for 5 more minutes. Just 5 minutes, please.
You always say that. We cannot sleep more. We have a busy day today. Come on, wake up.
Is it sunny outside?
I will go to the window and check. No, it is not sunny. It is cloudy and a little bit dark. It looks like it might rain later.
That is sad. It is difficult to wake up when the weather is bad. Is the room cold?
A little bit. I will turn on the heater. Okay, I am going to the bathroom first. I need to take a shower.
Okay, you go first. I will stay in bed for 1 minute.
Do not fall asleep again. Where's my towel?
Your towel is on the chair, next to the wardrobe.
Yes, I see it. It is the blue one. Do you know where my bathrobe is?
It is behind the door, Tom. You are very forgetful this morning.
I'm just sleepy. Okay, I'm going to the bathroom. Please find my black socks while I'm in the shower.
Which socks?
The black socks. They are in the drawer.
Okay, I will find them.
That was a good shower. I feel much better now. The water was very warm. Are you awake, Emma?
Yes, I am sitting up now. I stretched my arms and back. I am ready to get up.
Good. The bathroom is free. It is all yours.
Did you leave hot water for me?
Yes, of course. There is plenty of hot water. Did you find my black socks?
No, I looked in the drawer, but I only saw gray socks and white socks.
That is strange. Maybe they are in the laundry basket.
I will check. Yes, here they are. But they are dirty. You cannot wear them.
Oh, well, I will wear the gray socks then. It is not a big problem.
You should wear the gray ones. They match your gray trousers.
That is a good idea. I will wear my blue shirt and gray trousers today. What are you going to wear?
I do not know yet. Maybe my red dress? Or maybe jeans and a sweater.
If it is cold, you should wear the sweater.
You are right. I will wear my comfortable jeans and the green sweater. Okay, I am going to wash my face and brush my teeth now.
Take your time, but remember, we need to eat breakfast soon.
I know. I will be fast. Please open the curtains. We need some light in here.
The kitchen is very quiet. I will turn on the radio. Do you want to listen to music or the news?
Music, please. The news is always boring in the morning.
Okay, music it is. Now, I am very hungry. My stomach is empty. Let's cook something.
What do we have in the fridge?
Let me see. We have 3 eggs, some butter, a tomato, and half a bottle of milk.
Is that all? We need to go to the supermarket later.
Yes, we need to buy food, but for now, we can make scrambled eggs.
I do not want eggs today. I want something sweet. Do we have cereal or toast?
We have bread for toast, and we have strawberry jam.
Perfect! I will have toast with butter and strawberry jam, and a big cup of coffee.
I will make the coffee. Do you want milk and sugar in it?
Yes, please. A lot of milk and 1 spoon of sugar.
Okay. I am putting the water in the machine. Can you put the bread in the toaster?
Yes, I can. The toaster is working. It smells like bread already. I love that smell.
I am going to make tea for myself. I prefer tea in the morning.
Tom, can you pass me a plate and a knife?
Here is a white plate, and here is a knife. Be careful, the knife is clean but sharp.
Thank you. Oh, look at the table. It is messy. There are papers on it.
Those are my work papers from yesterday. Sorry, I will move them.
Please put them in your bag. We need space to eat.
Done. Now the table is clean.
The toast is ready. It jumped up. It is hot and brown.
Here is the butter. Spread it on the toast while it is hot.
It melts quickly. Where's the jam?
It is in the cupboard, on the top shelf.
I cannot reach the top shelf. I'm too short. Can you help me?
Sure. Here is the jar of jam.
Thank you. This breakfast looks delicious. What about you? Are you only drinking tea?
No, I will eat a banana and a yogurt. That is enough for me.
That is a very small breakfast. You will be hungry at 11 o'clock.
Maybe, but I have a big lunch planned with my colleagues today, so I want a light breakfast.
I understand. By the way, did you feed the cat?
No, I forgot. Where is the cat?
She is sleeping on the sofa in the living room. She is lazy today.
I will give her some food now.
Thank you. After breakfast, we need to clean the dishes quickly.
I will wash the cups and plates. You can dry them.
Okay, that is a fair plan. The coffee is very good, Tom. Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal. We have 20 minutes before we leave.
Okay, breakfast was good. Now I need to check my messages. My phone was beeping during breakfast.
Me too. I have 5 new emails. I hope they are not problems.
Let's see. Oh, I have a message from Sarah.
Sarah from your office?
No, Sarah, my sister. She asks about the weekend. She wants to visit us on Saturday.
That sounds nice. We are free on Saturday, right?
Let me check my calendar app. Yes, Saturday is empty. We have no plans.
Great. Tell her she is welcome. We can cook dinner for her.
I am typing the reply now. Hi, Sarah. Yes, come on Saturday. We are happy to see you. Send. Done.
Good. Now let me look at my work email. Oh no.
What is wrong? Is it bad news?
Not really bad, but my boss, Mr. Wilson, sent me an email at 6 a.m.
Wow, that is very early. What does he want?
He says we have an urgent meeting this morning at 9:30. I need to prepare a presentation.
Do you have time to prepare?
I have about 1 hour when I get to the office. I must hurry.
You can do it. You are very organized.
I hope so. I need to check my task list for today.
What else do you have to do?
First, the meeting. Then, I need to call a client in London. Then, I have to write a report about sales. It is a busy day.
My day is easier. I have to answer emails in the morning, then I have a team lunch. In the afternoon, I need to work on the new project design.
That sounds interesting. Do you like the new project?
Yes, it is creative. I like working with colors and pictures.
Oh, I just remembered something.
What?
Did we pay the electricity bill? I saw an email about it yesterday, but I did not read it.
I think I paid it last week. Let me check my banking app.
Please check. I do not want to lose electricity.
Loading, loading. Yes, look here. Electricity bill. Paid on Friday. Everything is fine.
Ooh, that is good news. You are excellent, Emma.
I know. I handle the money in this house.
I also have a reminder on my phone. It says, buy milk.
Yes, remember? The milk bottle is almost empty.
I will go to the shop after work. I will buy milk, bread, and maybe some chicken for dinner.
That is a good plan. Chicken and salad for dinner?
Yes, healthy and tasty.
Okay, put your phone away now. Look at the time. It is almost 8 o'clock.
You are right. We need to pack our bags. Do you have your laptop?
My laptop is in my bag. I also have my charger, my notebook, and a pen.
I need to find my USB drive. It is very small. I lose it often.
Is it on the table?
No. Ah, it is in my pocket. I found it.
Good. Let's go. We cannot be late. Where are my shoes? I cannot find my black shoes.
Are they in the shoe cabinet?
No, I looked there. Oh, wait, they are here, under the bench.
Put them on quickly. I am putting on my coat. It is cold outside, so button your coat up.
I need my scarf. My neck is cold.
Here is your scarf. It is the gray and white one.
Thanks. Do I look okay?
You look beautiful and professional, ready for work.
You look handsome too. Do you have the car keys?
Yes, they are in my hand. I have the house keys too.
Okay, I'm opening the door. Goodbye, house.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I turned the key 2 times. The door is locked.
Let's walk to the car. The air is fresh and cold.
Look at the street. It is wet. Did it rain?
Yes, I think it rained while we were eating breakfast. Be careful, the ground is slippery. Okay, we are in the car. Seat belts, please.
Click. My seatbelt is on.
I am starting the engine. The car starts well.
Please turn on the heater. My hands are freezing.
I will turn it to the maximum. It will be warm in 2 minutes.
Let's go. I hope the traffic is not bad.
I am driving out of the driveway. Look left and right. Is it clear?
Yes, no cars are coming. You can go.
We are on the main road now. There are many cars today.
Look at that red truck. It is very big.
Yes, it is driving slowly. I have to stay behind it.
We're moving very slowly. I hate traffic jams.
Relax, Emma. We have time. We left the house early.
I know, but I do not like sitting in the car.
Let's play a game. Let's count yellow cars.
You are funny. Okay, I see 1 yellow taxi.
And I see a yellow sports car over there. That is 2.
This is silly, but it is fun. Oh, the traffic light is red. Stop, Tom.
I see it. I am stopping. I am a safe driver.
Look at the people at the bus stop. They look cold.
I am happy we are in a warm car.
The light is green now. Go, go, go.
I am going. We are near your office now.
Yes. Turn left at the next corner. My building is on the right.
Okay, turning left. Here we are. This is your stop.
Thank you for the ride, Tom. You are a good taxi driver.
That will be $10, please. Just joking.
Have a good meeting with your boss. Good luck with the presentation.
Thank you. Have a good day with your design project. Call me at lunch if you have time.
I will. Bye.
Bye. See you tonight.